Today we're going to practice and review graphing linear equations. So something that's written in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So if I'm looking at this first equation up here, my b value or my y-intercept is this -4. And that's the point 0, -4. So my x is 0, my y is -4. So on my y-axis, okay, we're going to stay at 0 on the x, so I don't move left or right. And then on my y-axis, I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, down to -4. And then I need to use my slope, my m, which in this equation is 2/3. Okay, and remember, slope is your rise over run. So my rise is 2 and my run is 3. And this is a positive slope, so my line needs to be increasing or inclining from left to right because it's a positive. So I'm going to put my pencil back at this -4, this y-intercept, and I'm going to rise 2 boxes, and I'm going to run to the right 3 boxes and put my new point. From there, I'm going to keep going. Rise 2, run 3 to the right. Rise 2, run 3 to the right. Now, I want to put as many dots on this coordinate plane as possible. So back at my y-intercept, which is -4, I'm going to rise 2, but I'm going to go down 2 this time, and left 3, down 2, left 3, down 2, left 3. Now I want you to find a ruler. And if you don't have a ruler, find something straight that has a straight edge that you can line up on top of your paper. And we are going to connect these points with a straight line. And I'm going to use the line tool on my smartboard. So I'm going to make sure that it's nice and straight. Okay. So connect all of these points with a straight line. And we're done. We've graphed it. It has a y-intercept of -4 and a positive 2/3 slope. Okay, so my next question, the next graph here is y equals -4x plus 6. So this 6 is my y-intercept or my b value, and it's at 0, 6. So I'm not moving left or right on my x-axis. I'm going to stay there. And on my y-axis, I'm going up to 6, and I'm plotting that y-intercept point. And then my slope here, I can make it a fraction by putting a 1 underneath. So I'm rising 4, and I'm running 1. And this slope is a negative, so I want my line to be decreasing or declining from left to right. Okay, so I'm going to go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right 1, so that my line is decreasing or declining or falling from left to right. So if we were skiing, we'd be going down the hill, or if we're sledding, we'd be going down the hill. Okay. And again, I want my line to be perfectly straight. So I'm going to use a straight edge or a ruler to connect them. Perfect. Now I want you to keep going and see if you can finish this worksheet. Okay. So this y-intercept is at a positive 2. My slope here is a positive 1/2, so that means your line needs to be increasing rise 1, run 2. You can do it.